When homeowners in Birmingham consider upgrading their windows, vinyl windows are often among the first options they explore. Known for their affordability, durability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance requirements, vinyl windows have become one of the most popular window solutions for modern homes. Whether replacing aging windows or completing a new construction project, many homeowners find that vinyl windows provide the ideal combination of performance and value. With advancements in window technology and design, today's vinyl windows offer far more than simple functionality. They can enhance comfort, improve curb appeal, and contribute to long-term savings, making them a smart investment for a wide range of properties. Outstanding energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners choose vinyl windows is their ability to improve energy efficiency. Older windows often allow drafts, heat transfer, and air leakage that can make indoor temperatures difficult to control. Modern vinyl windows are engineered with insulated frames and advanced glass packages that help reduce energy loss. Many models include features such as double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, argon or krypton gas fills. Advanced weather stripping. These technologies help maintain more consistent indoor temperatures throughout the year. During warmer months, they reduce heat entering the home, while in cooler weather, they help retain indoor warmth. As a result, homeowners can enjoy greater comfort while potentially lowering heating and cooling costs. Low maintenance convenience. Unlike wood windows that may require regular sanding, painting, or staining, vinyl windows are designed to be extremely low maintenance. The color is incorporated directly into the vinyl material, reducing concerns about peeling, chipping, or fading. Routine cleaning with mild soap and water is typically all that is needed to keep vinyl windows looking attractive. For busy Birmingham homeowners, the ability to maintain beautiful windows without extensive upkeep is a major advantage. Less maintenance means more time enjoying the home and fewer long-term maintenance expenses. Excellent durability. Windows must withstand years of exposure to changing weather conditions, sunlight, moisture, and temperature fluctuations. Vinyl windows are specifically designed to handle these challenges while maintaining their appearance and performance. Unlike wood, vinyl does not absorb moisture, which means it is resistant to issues such as rot, swelling, and insect damage. It also resists corrosion and deterioration that can affect some other window materials. This durability allows vinyl windows to continue performing reliably for many years, making them a practical long-term investment. Cost-effective home improvement. Homeowners often seek upgrades that provide meaningful benefits without exceeding their budgets. Vinyl windows are known for delivering excellent value because they combine strong performance with affordability. Compared to some premium window materials, vinyl windows typically offer a lower initial investment while still providing energy efficiency, durability, and attractive design options. This balance of affordability and quality makes vinyl windows accessible to a wide range of homeowners looking to improve their properties. Enhanced indoor comfort. Drafty windows can create uncomfortable temperature fluctuations throughout a home. Certain rooms may feel warmer or cooler than others, making it difficult to maintain a consistent indoor environment. Vinyl windows help address these issues through improved insulation and tighter seals. By reducing air leakage and heat transfer, they contribute to more stable indoor temperatures year-round. Many homeowners notice a significant improvement in comfort after replacing older windows with modern vinyl models. Versatile design options. Today's vinyl windows are available in a wide variety of styles, allowing homeowners to select options that complement their home's architecture and personal preferences. Popular styles include double-hung windows, casement windows, awning windows, slider windows, picture windows, bay and bow windows. In addition to style choices, homeowners can select from various colors, finishes, grille patterns, and hardware options. This flexibility makes it easy to achieve the desired appearance without sacrificing performance. Improving curb appeal. Windows are a highly visible part of a home's exterior. Replacing outdated windows with attractive vinyl models can dramatically enhance curb appeal and create a more polished appearance. Clean lines, modern finishes, and updated designs contribute to a fresh, well-maintained look that homeowners and visitors appreciate. Improved aesthetics can also make a property more appealing to potential buyers in the future. Increasing home value. Many homebuyers appreciate features that improve comfort, energy efficiency, and reduce maintenance requirements. Vinyl windows deliver all of these benefits. As a result, professionally installed vinyl windows can contribute positively to a home's overall value and marketability. While homeowners often invest in replacement windows for their own enjoyment, the added appeal may also provide advantages when it comes time to sell. A smart choice for Birmingham homes. Vinyl windows have earned their popularity by offering an impressive combination of energy efficiency, durability, affordability, and style. Their low-maintenance design and long-term performance make them an excellent solution for homeowners seeking lasting value. For homeowners in Birmingham, vinyl windows provide a practical way to enhance comfort, improve energy efficiency, and elevate the appearance of a home. With numerous customization options and proven reliability, it's easy to see why vinyl windows continue to be one of the most popular choices for residential window replacement projects.